How about some motherfucking knees? Look at this. Not these knees, niggas, not these knees. These motherfucking big gay knees. I drop it down, I'm coming to bed smelling like icy hot. I might be icy, bitch, or I might be hot. It depends. Hey, y'all, hey. It's your girl, Ratchet Tracy. Burr, 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 burr. See, I can't do the DJ job and comedy. He supposed to know his cue. You ain't bringing your boy. Y'all, I fuss with the DJ though. Y'all get clap it up for him, clap it up. The only DJ I know right here that can DJ on the motherfucking coffee table. Everybody can't do that shit. Don't play with him. Don't play with him. That nigga mixing this shit on the coffee table. Grandma was mad at your ass, wasn't she? Fucking up her good china and shit. DJing, talking about, with the wood knife. Okay, I'm gonna stop. Y'all don't even know what wood knife is. That's some grandma shit, huh? Facts, y'all. Oh, my name is Ratchet Tracy, y'all. I'm coming up here to give y'all a little segment. I'm feeling like Mary J. Blige in this bitch. Y'all see me? Bitch. I might tumble over in the moment, bitch. That Mary. Bitch, I put my boots on for Mary, bitch. When I wear them short boots, bitch, I be feeling like I'm about to... Bitch, I don't know what coat that bitch started. Any moment, she's about to fall, okay? Bitch, don't marry my... Don't let me marry you, nigga, goddamn me. Rooster, that nigga ain't want to get on you, but I'm gonna take a 10. I didn't know they made husky skinny jeans. I don't even know if you can be husky and skinny. I said, no, he ain't. Bitch, no, he did not. He did not yet wear the Young Thugs to the club tonight. He got them Young Thugs on, y'all. And niggas be getting on my motherfucking nerves acting like they ain't gay. But Rooster, your dick tuck, bro. It's tuck. Niggas that wear skinny jeans, stop acting like you ain't tucking that dick, nigga. You tuck. You gotta tuck. Friend, you. Friend. Rooster, but you hanging, bro. You hanging. Y'all clap it up for Rooster and his husky jeans. His husky skinny jeans, bitch. I'm going to Foot Locker tomorrow and see if they sell husky skinny jeans. What you sound like when you go up there and ask for them? I want the skinny ones, but nigga, I ain't skinny, you feel me? My stupid ass. Oh, shit, y'all. I'm joining a new organization. The organization is called, It's called Help You Heal. And I knew I was supposed to join this organization, y'all, because my grandma was a grandma. Y'all know what a grandma is? That bitch always talking about She don't hear shit. Everything she hear be wrong. Grandma, can we watch TV? Who putting the TV in the nuts? Like, Grandma, ain't nobody saying that shit. Grandma nasty as fuck. She be fucking with her dude and shit. Her dude be putting it on and nigga be giving her that dude. I'm Ratchet Tracy, so I be listening, okay? I'm like, dude, you hear me? I heard Mr. Henry say, bitch, you feel this dick, don't you? My grandma said, That's some good shit right there, eh? And he said, stop playing with me, woman. I know you feel this dick. My grandma said, And nigga said, Friday when I get paid, I'm bringing you the whole check. My grandma said, okay. I knew I was going to, federalization, whatever the shit is called, bitch, Fuck that, I'm doing that to my nigga. I tried this shit with my dude, though. It didn't go as well as Granny's did. That nigga was hitting it from the back, and he was like, "You feel his dick?" I said, "Huh?" That nigga punched me though, bro. That was fucking in the back of my head, like right here, dip part right here. It was crazy though, cause my pussy squirted after that. I ate that pussy. I was like, "Bitch, huh?" That bitch is amazing, ain't she? Your pussy is amazing, goddamn it. Clap it up for pussy. Clap it up. Shit. I love friend that baby, her comedy be real. You know what I'm saying? I love real comedy with real life shit going on. Relationships is my problem. Yeah, man. I feel like because my name Ratchet Tracy, I attract ratchet relationships. Huh? Yeah. I fuck with the wrong dudes. Like I fuck with dudes with dreads. I had a little dread fetish. Yeah, I see y'all in here. I see the nigga. I got tired of fucking with my dude with dreads because he kept shimmering, bitch. I said, no, this nigga didn't just shimmer, bitch. I'm ready to get this nigga head. The nigga said, you got a head scarf. I just got these twisted. That nigga leaned up like this one time, bitch, and put that shit up in a bun, bitch. I was done. Fuck them niggas with dreads. I don't want no more. I fucked around and started fucking with niggas with bald-headed niggas. Bald-headed niggas, y'all. I thought I was on some shit, okay? I was like, bitch, I'm finna get my nails done. And do this little shit right here on the top of his fucking head right here, bitch. That's $500 right there. We selling pussy and everything, okay? I took that nigga fancy, you hear me? It was cool though, but the dude like to eat my coochie, y'all, with the lights on. And one time, y'all, he was doing it, bitch, and I caught my reflection in that nigga head. And I seen the faces I was making. I was like, bitch, I got the pillow and put it over his head. Bitch, I don't want to see the faces, nigga. I don't want to see these. So I stopped fucking with my bald head, nigga. Fucked around and got me a deaf dude. Hey, I was trying to figure out how to learn sign language for free. For the free. My name Ratchet Tracy. It was cool though, but every time we would get it, that nigga be like, Y'all, and he taught me sign language, right? So my ratchet ass, I'm still putting on there, but bitch, I don't know what's going on. So he hit me one more time, he was like, Y'all, I had to flick the lights on because I didn't know you can't see sign in the dark. I said, what's wrong? Yeah, bitch, I learned telling you hoes how to get that check. You hear me? Ratchet Tracy. The nigga said, They say that feel good. Fuck that. Now when I fuck my deaf dude, bitch, I put earplugs in. We both be like, You feel me? You know what I'm saying? Shit. Bills gotta get paid. Fuck that. Friends say she don't give out no free coochie. Fuck no, bitch. This right here, this is motherfucker super soaker. Bitch, I tell nigga I got that super soaker youngster. You know, he be out there looking at me and shit, y'all. I'm an auntie that'll fuck your kid, okay? I'll fuck shit out your kid, bitch. Let him be 18 and up. Your son, bitch, your son. We over here looking at my ass like it's a petting zoo, talking about, can I touch it? Can I touch it? And can. Bitch, I'm spending all that motherfucking me What they did is y'all give y'all sons allowances and shit, bitches. ABC money, bitch, I'm sending all that. Mm-hmm. And fellas, y'all need to stop trying to comfort girls that go get their body done, bitch, because I went and did that. Y'all clap it up for me. What I did with my PPP. I invested and you can see my investment. Don't be mad, bitch, because I took the road. But fellas, it be the fellas for me, y'all. These niggas. Yo. Because I had to think about some shit. And I was like, you know what? They always talking about somebody that got a BBL, but y'all was the first ones to get plastic surgery. Mm-hmm. It was called circumcision. I'm gonna let y'all think about that for a minute. See, what you did was took a little skin from here, and moved it somewhere else to make your shit look pretty. Your mama did that. Your mama did. The mamas did that. The mama said, I want my baby dick look like your daddy did. Ooh. I mean, if you ain't got one, that's your daddy is a turkey leg too. You got the turkey neck daddy dick. Oh, bless your heart. So stop talking about ladies when they, you know what I'm saying, do their little thing. Ladies, okay? Stop doing that shit. Cause y'all ain't for, I can't tell about niggas that be talking about edges. Oh, these bitches with these baby girls. Bitch, don't fuck with our baby girls. Bitch, I had a bitch one time put RATC. Yeah, bitch, they was mad at me when I came to the